Again. So guys, in this video we will see how to generate a hook in Suno AI. So basically, if you want to generate the hooks, so guys, in Suno AI everything is depend on your prompt. How is your prompt? How is your lyrics? Okay, so where you want to get the things, first you simply go to the chat gpt and simply search your lyrics. And if you want to get some hook, so you put that Suno AI song with hook style. After that guys, here you see it shows the pop hook, Punjabi hooks, Bollywood hooks. Now you simply choose which hook you are interested. Now simply go and copy this hook, then go back to your Suno AI and guys put this hooks keywords in your style option. So guys, here you see afro pop, vocal free, tension build. Now you simply paste your all hooks here, like Bollywood pops, uh, then emotional words, massive sing along hooks, cinematic strings. So you put all of your keywords related to the uh, style put here, okay, and hooks. Then here you put your lyrics and you just generate your song. Okay, so this is the best way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.